Humidity is nothing but the measure of amount of water vapor or moisture present in the air. The sensors which are used for measuring the humidity are known as the hygrometers. Humidity sensors are based on a simple principle. Whenever there is a change in amount of water vapor present in the air, there may be a change in the temperature, and that may alter the electrical current flowing through the sensor. So, humidity sensors will detect those changes in the temperature or the electrical current. There are three basic types of humidity sensors: capacitive sensor, resistive sensor, or thermal sensor. In our course, we will be discussing resistive humidity sensors. This is a simple construction of resistive humidity sensor. In this construction, you can see a low resistive material is used, and this low resistive material is placed on top of the two electrodes. So, this is electrode 1 and this is electrode number 2. The low resistive materials used can be salt, solid electrolytes, or conductive polymers. They can be used in the humidity sensor. When water is absorbed by this absorbing layer, the resistivity between the electrodes will change. So, this change in resistivity is measured by noting the variation in the current which is passed through this device. After measuring the resistivity, the humidity can be calculated. These humidity sensors will not measure the humidity directly, but they will measure the changes in resistivity values, and then humidity is calculated. The output can be seen as digital values by interfacing these humidity sensors with the microcontrollers such as Arduino or Raspberry Pi boards. So, this is the actual humidity resistive sensor, and this is where this humidity sensor is interfaced with the microcontroller to get the reading of humidity and temperature on a digital display. Advantages and applications of resistive humidity sensors or hygrometers. There are some electronic equipments which are very sensitive to the environmental changes. So, such hygrometers must be used to monitor such environmental changes for the safety of such sensitive electronic equipments. These hygrometers, resistive humidity sensors, are of very small size, and their cost is also very low. So, they can be used in industrial as well as domestic or residential applications. They can be used in monitoring devices which can be employed in homes for the people whose health is affected by the humidity changes. Humidity sensor can be a part of home heating system or air conditioner system. They can be used at various places to monitor the humidity. Can be used, this is the major use actually, in meteorology stations to report and predict the weather. So, these are various advantages and applications of resistive humidity sensors. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe to the channel so that you will get timely intimation of new videos uploaded to the channel. Thank you very much.